In today's video, we'll guide you on how to start your very own print-on-demand business for free using an online tool called Canva. Did you know you can get a store started in less than 10 minutes? All you have to do is sign up, upload, and start getting paid from your new print-on-demand business. It's really that easy. No storefront to set up or prices to set. Now you can focus on driving tons of sales without having the financial risk associated with this kind of business model. Have you ever thought about using AI to create business slogans or quote prompts for your logo ideas? By asking ChatGPT to create a list in bulk or in a specific way, you now have more leverage than ever before. By using an editor like Canva, you can now access tons of tools to help you create a masterpiece in ease. You can even find cool designs you can use for your new store items that you're going to create. Just set canvas size to 5000 by 5000 px for all your designs, and now you're ready to start designing. Now that you're ready, you can take your newly created logo and turn it into apparel, stickers, cases, mugs, wall art, notebooks, pillows, totes, tapestries, pins, magnets, and masks. All at once with just a few clicks. So what are you waiting for? Sign up. Start creating your store and start earning a full-time monthly income using Canva. And with the best print-on-demand website on the planet. See you there.